Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to export CapCut video. So you have a video here which you would like to export. The important thing with CapCut is that if you would like to only export this part, you need to delete all the other parts. So you just click Ctrl and use the scrolling wheel on the mouse, and you're gonna delete everything else which you wouldn't like to export. So we're gonna just delete all the other clips so that we only have this one clip here. So now that we deleted everything and we made the song as long as the video, we're gonna just go to export, and here you can choose a name for the file. You can change the exporting path where you would like to put the video or the file. You can also have your watermark off with CapCut Pro, and you can change the resolution and the frame rate and all kind of things. Then you're just gonna click export, and if you would like to instantly find the video, you're gonna just click this open folder, and here you have the video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to export videos in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.